look at number 7 first. Set up our proportion, percent over 100. At John Hill High School, 75% of their students do not wear glasses. If 340 students do wear glasses, how many students are at John Hill High School? Super confusing, right? But let's label what we know, okay? So we already have 100 down here, and that is our whole, right? Okay? Is 340 a whole? No, they want to know about the whole number of students, and that's not a whole, okay? They give us 75%. Naturally, where would we put that? On the percent, but we're not going to. Is 75% the number of students who do wear glasses? The number of students who do not wear glasses. How can I figure out the percent of students who do? Just subtract, right? A percent is always out of 100. So if 100% of students is the total amount of students, 75% of students do not wear glasses, then that means 25% of students what? Do wear glasses. So 25% and 340 students do wear glasses. So now with this proportion, you would be able to solve to find out how many total students are in the school. See how we got that? All right, let's look at number 8. Wednesday, 170 students wore a jacket to school, and 255 students did not wear a jacket to school. And I told you, you're not going to use the number 255 in your chart. What percentage of students wore a jacket? So we already know that we're searching for the percent, because my question says what percentage, okay? So we know that's going to be our blank spot. They want to know the percent of who wore a jacket. So how many students wore a jacket? 170. And this percent is going to tell us the percent who wore a jacket. Why can I not write 255 down here? That's just who did not wear a jacket. It's not the total. We have to have the total down here. So how do I find the total? I add 170 plus 255. And I get 425. So you had to find the total. Okay? Last one, I told you, you're not going to use any of these numbers in your chart. Super confusing, right?
Yeah.
And you know what stinks worse? This was on STAR last year. This exact question. That's why we're doing it. That's why we're throwing it at you guys. Because if they did it last year, they're going to probably do a question just like it this year. Okay? So, there are 90 dogs and 60 cats in the animal shelter. Of these, 9 dogs and 3 cats are pregnant. What percentage of animals at the shelter are pregnant? So we know it's going to be the blank. Right? We know it's going to be the percentage. This is part. This is whole. Let's start with the whole. How many total animals do we have? 90 plus 60, because 90 dogs, 60 cats, which gets us what? 150. That's our whole. The part is how many are what? Pregnant. So we have to add 9 dogs that are pregnant and 6 cats that are pregnant to get, or 3 cats, I'm sorry. And what do we get? 12. So that's our part. All right, not too bad. You just have to read it really carefully.